Hi, this is Dr. Hui Xu from In the Art of Music. Burgmüller's Arabesque, Opus 100 No. 2, is a popular piece for late beginner and early intermediate piano students. Some audience had requested a tutorial of this piece. One of my current students is learning this piece, so I will review his playing and highlight some key points to focus on during learning process. If you wish to contact me and review your annual piano progress, make sure to watch this free annual review video to see the details in the description. This student is 7 years old. In his routine practice, he plays scales, Czerny Etudes, and a recital piece. I believe a well-rounded piano learning plan should include at least these three categories, as they develop essential technique skills and prepare students for performances. He prepared 3 videos: G major scale, an etude, and the Burgmüller's Arabesque. Now let's listen to his scale first. He played a 2-octave G major scale. When students learn scales, it's very important to use the correct fingerings. This student did very well with his fingering. He stands and lifts his fingers very well, which can help with individual finger movement while playing. My only suggestion is about the speed. If he can increase his speed, it will further help improve his technique. Now let's watch his Czerny Etude Opus 599, number 19. Czerny's Etudes Opus 599 consists of practical exercises for beginners, featuring 100 short exercises, each with a specific goal for finger practice. This number 19 exercise focuses on the thumb crossover technique and is somewhat similar to a scale exercise. He plays each section fluently. However, the transition from the first section to the second section needs more work. I suggest you to practice from the end of the first section to the first note of the second section. To maintain fluency, you need to feel confident in the arrival of the second section. Try to practice like this, from the end of the first section to the beginning of the second section. Did you see I stopped on the first note of the second section? So make sure you know the arrival points. This will be the practice method to help you avoid the gap between measures or phrases. Now let's watch his Burgmüller's Arabesque, Opus 100 No. 2. This piece is at a late beginner or early intermediate level. It's commonly played by students at that level. Many audience requested a tutorial for this piece. First, let me share the key points to focus on while learning it. Number 1, steady rhythmic pattern. This student played with a good rhythm for the most part, but at times the rhythm was a bit unsteady. Following metronome practice is the best approach for this piece. Number 2, characteristic. This piece is very playful and energetic, and I think this student captured its character very well. Number 3, finger clarity and evenness. In this piece, both the right hand and the left hand have groups of 16th notes. It's important to play those notes at a faster tempo with clearly independent fingers and to keep them even. For the most part, this student played very well with finger clarity, but he needs to improve his evenness in playing. Number 4, balance. In the first section of this piece, the right hand plays the melody while the left hand plays the accompaniment. In the second section, the left hand has the melody and the right hand is the accompaniment. So maintaining a good balance between hands is important. This student played the accompaniment part too loudly. He needs to be more careful and play the accompaniment chords softer while bringing out the melody more. This is incorrect. And this is the correct way. So be careful, keep left hand accompaniment chords softer and bringing out the melody more. Overall, this student is at late beginner to early intermediate level. I hope he can keep the routine practice with scales, etudes, and recital piece. Later, I will suggest him to add on arpeggios as technique and with more recital pieces from different composers. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.